Um, Today's little lesson is going to be about a ceramic technique. Let's say that you have a cool little doodad that you made that is nice, it's fun, but you're thinking that you want to hang it on the wall. How do you make something out of clay that you can hang on the wall? A lot of people will arrange for holes through and through. That way they can put it onto a nail or a surface. Today I'm going to show you a different way to do that. So I have my little Gravity Works plaque. That's something I say in class all the time. It's kind of a little texture thing. I was just playing just to do this. But I want to make this so that once I fire it, I can hang it on my wall at school. So I'm going to flip this over. Now, if you have a lot of detail and things on this side, you might want to put it on some sponges or on something soft. And I'm going to show you how to make a hanger that you can put on the back of this. Now, I always recommend smoothing things out just a little bit. We like even our backs of our pieces to look nice. It's a good time for you to sign your name, put the year if you'd like. But I'm going to show you how to make a little hanger on here. First, I'm going to start off with another little chunk of clay. And I'm going to make a coil out of that clay. This has been wedged already. And I'm going to bend that coil around to make a little U shape, upside down U shape. Now once I have that little U shape, I'm going to actually go inside and pinch just a little bit, make kind of an underhang. I don't know if you can see that'll be a little hollow in here. Now I'm going to take this little piece and I'm going to slip and score it to the back of it and connect it all the way through. And I'm going to connect that whole little piece down to my surface. Now usually I like to take the ends and kind of bevel them down just because it's prettier. But it's not really necessary. Again, personal preference. And I'm going to make sure that this little underhang here stays open. But it does connect the entire way around to the actual surface of the piece. Now once this dries up and hardens a bit, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to take that little hook and set it on the top of a nail head or a screw head and hang your piece onto the wall without worrying about a hole through your piece or coming up with some kind of hanging apparatus for it. So if you know ahead of time that you're going to want to hang your piece on the wall, that's how to make a little hanger. I made it as an incense burner. This is a piece that I made to be an incense burner. So I have the sculpted piece, used just a lot of pinching to make it, tools to smooth it out. And if you look on the back, you'll see that I have that little hanger. And then this is what it looks like hanging on the wall with the incense coming out, smoke coming out of his nose. That's why I made it, so that the smoke would come out of its nose. Alright, so that's how to make a clay hanger on the back of a clay piece. Hope it comes in handy. Thank you for watching.